In the last video, we learned how to solve the problem while starting MySQL server. Okay, if your MySQL server start properly, then to open PhpMyadmin, click here. If you are facing any problem like this, then to resolve that problem, click here on the config button. After that, click here on my phpMyadmin config.inc.php file. Okay. After opening this file, first of all, you have to check whether any password showing here or not. Okay, if there is no password showing, then leave as it is or leave it blank. Or if any password showing here, then delete all the numerics or numbers typed here as a password. Okay, you have to make this place blank as it is. After that, here you have to type column and 3306, which is your port ID. Okay, you have to check your port ID here. What number showing here, you have to type here. Okay, after that, save this file. Okay, by pressing Ctrl S, you have to save this file. Then close this tab. After that, you have to stop these two servers. Okay, then close XAMPP. Now again open XAMPP to check whether PhpMyadmin opening properly or not. Okay, first of all, you have to start these two servers. You can see your port ID showing here, and here your status change detected running showing. Okay, now click here on admin of MySQL. Here you can see your PhpMyadmin opening properly. So your problem is solved. So thanks for watching.